Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy digital advertising with Google Ads, full guide step by step clearly. To deploy digital advertising with Google Ads, start by creating a Google Ads account. Visit the Google Ads homepage and click on Start Now. Sign in with your existing Google account, or create a new one if needed. Once logged in, you will be directed to the campaign setup screen. Choose your advertising goal based on your business needs, such as sales, leads, or website traffic. Select the campaign type that aligns with your strategy, like search, display, or video. Set your campaign name to keep your advertising organized. Choose your target locations to specify where your ads will appear. Decide on your budget and bidding strategy, setting a maximum daily budget that suits your spending. Select your target audience, using demographics, interests, and behaviors to refine your reach. Create engaging ad groups to organize your ads by themes and target keywords. Begin writing your ad copy, focusing on compelling headlines and descriptions. Use call-to-action phrases to encourage user engagement. Add relevant keywords that align with your products or services. Conduct keyword research to ensure your selected keywords are effective and have adequate search volumes. Upload high-quality images or videos if you are creating display or video ads. Review your ad settings, ensuring everything aligns with your goals and specifications. Set up conversion tracking to monitor the effectiveness of your campaigns. Once satisfied, click the Publish button to launch your campaign. Monitor campaign performance regularly through the Google Ads dashboard. Adjust bids, keywords, and ad copy based on performance data to optimize your campaigns. Experiment with A/B testing to determine which ads resonate best with your audience. Continuously analyze your results to refine your strategy over time. Stay informed about Google Ads updates and best practices to enhance your advertising skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.